Alright guys, let's dig into this. You can see what's going on with it. So what we're dealing with right now in this dryer is either a broken belt slipped off, which is not really lightly, or a bad belt switch. On GEs, you will have a belt switch which is on the idler pulley arm, and that can stop or cause your dryer to act this way. Now, you're going to see right here, that's the belt, it's broken.
There it is.
Alright, so pretty straightforward from here on. All you're going to be doing is just removing either 1/4-inch screws. Sometimes it could be either 1/4-inch or Phillips or square bits on GEs. Phillips will work, but it's probably a square bit. Alright, you're going to have your wire door switches or door switch harness wires. Be careful if you notice that you can't get some of those connectors off. You might want to just take your time until you can wiggle it off. Don't force, otherwise you can damage the spade or the connector that is going into the switch, and then you're going to have to replace the switch. So be mindful. If not, go ahead and just tilt or move it to the side. You should be able to do that instead of damaging it. Now while we're here, go ahead and vacuum and clean your dryer out properly. There you have it. And just do a good vacuum, get everything nice and clean before you put it back together.
Helper here,
Yeah.
and you slide this down
Oh, that's nice.
so that helps
Nice
you.
one to do that.
Absolutely. So you can just slide the drum in,
Uh-huh.
and once the belt is on, you press this down,
Oh,
and it tensions it.
that's pleasant. Boy,
Yep.
that's a good design, eh?
It is actually a really good design.
Yeah. That's another side of all over, right?
Always inspect your gliders, and if they're worn out, you might need to replace them. And we like to flip these so that you have a new wear surface. Pretty straightforward. Do both of them while you do it. One thing to note, as you're putting the drum back in, you might have to press the front side down just a little bit, and that helps you to get it under the drum. Now guys, the angle here wasn't that great, so I will link another GE video with the belt installation. Gives you a better view, but this is still pretty good if you pay attention. It gets it done.
Belt is on.
Angle is not great, so pay attention to how you remove them. If you need to make small marks, take pictures, whatever you need to do to make sure you get them back in the correct position. Alright guys, we're pretty much done wrapping this thing up, and you might have to lift the drum slightly to get the felt and the gliders under the lip. And once that is done, all you gotta do, put your 2 screws in, slide the top on. The top goes on pretty straightforward. You're gonna be basically sliding it. I should have shown it, but it's easy, guys.
Thanks for watching.